the songs and dances are representing something on the rice and planting. Now we have bamboos, as incidentally we do have a legend about the beginnings of man and woman coming from a bamboo. A bird taking the bamboo, and then as it opens, we have woman and man coming from the bamboo. That's an interesting fact about
the first woman in man in the Philippines is called
Malakas
and Maganda. Malakas being man,
the strong one, and the
Maganda
beautiful.
is beautiful. Yes.
So incidentally, we do have that in the Philippines. A legend speaking of a bird taking the bamboo, and as it opens, the first woman and man comes about. So we're doing the two of the bamboo of the bird dances, and the last dance would also mean we would also perform a dance called Pandango sa Ilaw. Pandango sa Ilaw would represent the fireflies at night. So similarly, it represents the agriculture setting